This is an early research preview. We got a lot of improvements to do. We'll make it better. We'll make it cheaper. We'll make it more widely available. But we really want to put it in people's hands. We'll also have more agents to launch in the coming weeks and months. But that said, we'll talk more later. So excited. Just want to show you a demo. I'll hand it over to Yash.
Great. Thanks, Sam. Hi, I'm Yash. This is Casey.
By 2023, AI agent is going to contribute 50 trillion to the global economy. If your question regarding how we can create an AI agent to solve a business problems, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how we can create an AI agent using the Python framework. Step by step from installation to like one business case, I'm going to show you that how we can create an AI agent using the Python and how we can create a AI agents to solve a business problems. 2025 is the year of AI agent, and you should know how we can create a AI agents. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video and talk about how we can create a AI agent in a Python framework. So let's jump into the video. In this step, let's talk about the basic. What is actual AI agent? So AI agent is not magic. AI agents are a program that these programs will be think, learn, and act autonomously. They will be work as a proactively. So let's understand with the example how these AI agents would be work autonomously. Suppose, just think about you are a like cook in a busy kitchen, and your aim is cook a delicious dishes that will be help your like a restaurant to grow your business. So what will be happen is that okay, so as a cook, you will be gather the information. If someone is order some dishes and you will be gather the information. Depends on this information, you will be check that what ingredients available into the kitchen. And depends on the ingredients, you will be take the action like chopping the vegetables, blending the dishes, and you will be make a delicious dishes. So this is how the AI agents will be work. They will be think, they will be take the action, they will be run autonomously, proactively, without taking the help from the human. I hope you understand that what is the AI agent and how these AI agents will be work.
Before jumping to the programmatically how we can create a AI agent, let's understand what is the Pydantic AI. So Pydantic AI is nothing but it's a Python framework on a generative AI to create AI applications. Or we can create easily AI agents using this framework. So framework is like everything is already defined, right? What we need to do is that already defined functions we need to use to create AI agents. So this is a Python framework. It's created on a generative AI. And why we need to use the Pydantic framework to create a like AI agents, because it support all the LLM models. Like it is supporting OpenAI, it is supporting Gemini, or it is supporting all the available OpenAI or like available LLM into the market. It is a Python centric design. So it is applying the standard Python test best practices. It is supporting to log file. So it is very important to understand the integration or real-time debugging, performance monitoring, and behavior tracking. So it is supporting to log file. It is giving the structure response consistent. That's why we need to use the Pydantic agent framework. So in the next step, let's understand how we can install a Pydantic framework. So installation of the Pydantic framework is very easy. What you need to do is that you just need to copy this and you need to go to the like command prompt. I just go into the command prompt, and you can just paste this command. Okay, so I have already installed the Pydantic AI library, so it is giving like, okay, already requirements already satisfied. Okay, so this is how you need to install the Pydantic framework. So it's very easy to install. It is one step process. You need to just copy this on your Windows machine and just say that pip install Pydantic AI. You can install like the same log file. Okay, so it is optional, but you can install like using this command pip install Pydantic AI log file. So in this step, you'll learn that how we can install a Pydantic AI framework. Let's move to the next
So
step.
in this step, let's talk programmatically. Here, let's understand how we can create a bank agent in a Python. So we need to import, like this is basic, we need to import the required library. We need to import the data class, we need to import the Pydantic library, AI library, okay, agent library. And after importing this is the first step. After importing this, we need to connect to the database. So previously I talked right how we can create data. Means we need to connect this agent to the bank database. So using the Python, we need to connect to the database. So this is the fake database I have to, okay, so using the ID, using the name, we can understand which is the user. Like we need to identify in a database which is the user, right? We need to do the validation because this is the bank application. So security is very important. So this is like fake database. We have took the static data here, right? So ID is 123 and is returning the name of the customer. So using the IDs, but in a real business case, when we are going to create like bank real actual like production application, so we need to connect to the database, right? And when user is asking the questions, right, in a chart, so agent automatically understand who is the user. It will understand like what is the like his ID is there, right? But this is the fake database. So it will be understand, okay, so I have given the 123 and it will be written the John, and it is connecting to the customer database. It is going to the database, depends on the ID, it will be written the what is the balance available into the database. It is a 123.45 balance is there, okay. Less balance is there, and if the balance is not found, I mean the customer is not found, so it is giving the error like customer is not found. So it's easy, okay. And what we need to do is that like next is that there is an agent is there, right? So agent is going to advise to the user that, okay, advice return to the customer when user is asking the question, okay, like I lost my card. So agent will be take the action, okay, it will be given advice to the customer like like whether to block your card or what is the risk level of the query, right? And we need to pass like API's key to the this agent, okay. We need to pass like which model we need to use. So I have given the Gemini 1.5 Flash, and this is the prompt like you are the support agent in your bank, and give the customer support, and just the risk level of there depends on what is the user is going to ask the query, and response using the customer name. So this is how we need to define. So this is very important. Okay, so we need to call the agent. So this is the function, and we need to pass these parameters here, and that's it. The Pydantic AI framework will be take care of the other things. So you don't need to be write like long code. It will be we need to just pass this function and just pass this parameter, and it will be create an agent for you. So these are the basic things, like it will be written the customer name, it will be written the like name to the customer, right? And it will be check the balance. So these are the functions we need to create, depends on the ID. It will be check, it will validate that, okay, what is the name of the customer, what is the ID of the customer, and it gives the response to the user that what is the balance in your bank, and it will be understand, okay, hello John, your current balance is this, and user will say that, okay, I lost my card, I am sorry to hear that, and we are going to temporarily block your card. So this is very basic, okay. So I have shown you that how we can create programmatically AI agent. So let's we can run this, okay. Let's go to the terminal and let's understand, okay. I'm just giving the CLS, okay. And what we need to do is that I need to run this program. So I just go there Python, and I can run bank agent.py. Okay. So agent will be connect to the Google Gemini framework, and it will be understand okay what is the user prompt is there. So we have given the prompt into the program, okay, but we can create a chatbot and dynamically user can ask the question, and agent will be connect to the LLM, and it will be connect to the database, and it will be return the response, and it will be take the action. Action is very important in agents. Okay, so it will be written, see that, okay, support otherwise will be say that, okay, your balance is this balance $123.45, very less balance is there. And it will be say that, okay, block a card, what is the risk? Is the risk is 0, okay? And this is the advice like, John, I am sorry to hear that okay, this agent is going to reply to the user. John, I am sorry to hear that you lost your card. I have blocked your card. It will be block your card without taking the help of the human to prevent unauthorized transaction. Please contact as soon as possible to request a new card. So it will be remove the burden of the human agents in the bank. Everything is handled autonomously by bank agents, like AI bank agents. Just think about how many problems we can do the automation, and it will be work 24 by 7 without taking the help of the human. AI is a companion. What is AI is? AI is helping to the people to solve their problems. So this is how the AI bank agent will be work autonomously. It will be create a chain of thoughts without taking the help from the human. It will be help you or help businesses to reduce the cost. If you are really interested to create an AI agent to solve problems, to save a cost and be a more productive, then just go to this site and you can play with the different examples. There are various examples are mentioned there. Okay, so like Pydantic models are there. Okay, so weather agent we can create, bank support, SQL injections, right? Flight booking. This is very real good example. Okay, so we can like book the flights autonomically. It is given. They have mentioned like how the flow of the we can book the flight using the agent. So you can go on this side and play with these examples. It's very easy to create agents. And remember that AI agents are is not magic. These are the programs. These are autonomous programs. It will be helping human to perform a task. That's it. I hope that you understand that what is the AI agent and how we can create AI agent using the Python. So what are you waiting for? You can just go and play with the different examples. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you understand step by step what is the AI agent, how we can create a AI agent in a Python. And please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with the easy steps to teach you how we can create like different. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video so your friends will be understand that what is the AI agent and how we can create a AI agent in a Python. I hope you love this video. Stay tuned for more technical videos step by step. Thank you. If you are really interested to create an AI agent to solve problems, to save a cost and be a more productive, then Just go to this site and you can play with the different examples. There are various examples are mentioned there. Okay, so like Pydantic models are there. Okay, so weather agent we can create, bank support, SQL injections, right? Flight bookings is very real good example. Okay, so we can like book the flights autonomically. It is given. They have mentioned like how the flow of the we can book the flight using the agent. So you can go on this side and play with these examples. It's very easy to create agents. And remember that AI agents are is not magic. These are the programs. These are autonomous programs. It will be helping human to perform a task. That's it. I hope that you understand that what is the AI agent and how we can create AI agent using the Python. So what are you waiting for? You can just go and play with the different examples. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you understand step by step what is the AI agent, how we can create a AI agent in a Python. And please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel